ya wase aba director b'uburimi bw'echae kurwa sensemo ya West Rift litkolya lero baba kumirana asensemo ya Ugembo iriko kwanira emirobero ayo bwente kubekwa asogokinya uburimi bw'echae nabo igo obonya bw'echae nigo murobero yo bago kubareta mu aba director kurwa Sechi County isano na ibere gati abe county ya Kisii, county ya Nyamira, county ya Kericho, Nandi egati county chinde asebate bire buna abakurumi babere bakorokana asensemo yobonya bw'echae abo bakugora echae aseli gorirense koirera oburimi bw'echae koira na magega nabono nigo baganirie serikali kubwatirana n'ekyombe gya KTDA kubwatirana asogosira abalemi eryo kwenekya buna oburimi obobose echiro yechae yabire kegokiniwa muri keto Josephat Hamisi no roboti urwasubwikirano
buna enjere yo gukura omuchando bwoboni bw'echae guchiase chinse chisko litukolya lero ligaba directors anene kurwa asorogongo rwa Rift West banyarako bakomerana imeyo mu Ugembo iri gukwanira omuchando oyo
eganga yo gutwara umukutano no kugireria mangana y'echae ubonia ubusumeka no kurende echae ase West of Rift tubatikia chenda tukurigereria eriyagare tukisugume asikira takere osoa yari tukie kitokoro bongereria bw'echae muri myaka yanyu tokore bindi byabona akiye kogera twensi tulega siri tukuria lero
abateneni bekemerie kiyechae nigo batebire echae ense ya Kenya itaranyora anene chiro guchiase chinse chisko asabanyareko bakoganyana takuigora chinchira echira chikoba chikwene kiyechae yanyareko bagekonyore chiro ichinse chisko.
As you are aware, the tea business has been not doing well, and as a result the government has put consultative effort encouraging boards to look for ways and means on how to market tea, our tea, both locally and internationally. Our tea is 5% of our tea is consumed locally. 95% of our tea goes out of the country, and 40% of that those teas goes to Pakistan.
Yes, how can the market again be fair competitive? We are discussing on how to increase that income. We have also asked our regulator to implement the management agreement which will increase the income to the farmer.
Boigo nigo batebire abalemi nigo bagende toko bagwetera emechando kati abo konyora abagori bali bataranyara ko bakwerikia ne kiombekeria gya Kenya Tea Board.
Some of the challenges which farmers face is the issue of tea hawking, low absorption in the market, and we are addressing them. By the time we finish this meeting, we are likely to find solutions. I take this opportunity to encourage our farmers to continue doing the right things at the farm, from the farm to the factory.
I like to encourage our farmers not to be discouraged by the challenges of marketing. Market will always go up and down. We also want to encourage or ask Tea Board. We are being assaulted by the people who have not planted any tea but have set up factories. These are people who hawk the tea. They are making a lot of incursions in our tea areas. For example,
niko banyareko bakuburia eserikali enene nyareko bikubwatirana anene amuna baremi nabatenene kiombe gya KTDA elyo kwenekia buna echae ense ya Kenya nyareko bage konyora echiro chinse chisko.
Government to help the Board of Kenya and the ministry to build capacity to reach those countries, which is the reason why we came here. So the fundamental reasons why we are here is because of marketing, number one, building capacity, number two, and sustaining the existing markets to keep on buying the Kenyan tea.
Kuripoti katika Ndizi TV kuri kaunti ya Kisii, Elitera na Josephat Hamisi.